What's up, guys? We are now at the Veterans Memorial Park, hanging out with my buddy Alex here. Say what's up, Alex. What's up? Look at this sick ass bagged C6. Holy cow, this thing looks so low. It looks like a Batmobile, man. Look at that thing.
Sick. Black paint is immaculate.
Yeah, look at that. It looks like a Ferrari at some point, right?
Ceramic coat or something.
Hell yeah, that thing's shiny. Matching with his buddy over here with the, damn. I like slam trucks, man. Look at that grill, bro. Look like it'll eat your car. It's so big.
That's just so the little kids don't get stuck in
I know.
the radiator.
Yeah, we all know this guy. That guy's on my channel. Hey, it's looking pretty clean, dude. Good job.
It's got a bad finally.
We got the Miata crew over here.
Is that the one they're selling online?
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, look, that's a nice Eclipse, man. Yeah. I've always had a soft spot for these cars, man.
I had a GS.
The turbo with the all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, I can't tell.
God, those things were expensive back in the day, man. I couldn't afford them.
Evo mode.
Yeah, it's a nice Stang, bro. Look at that stance on that thing. Hell yeah. Oh, look at the mask on this one. Bra. He's rocking the COVID-19 bra.
Yeah.
The COVID-19 mask. Look at that. That is sweet.
I love that.
Barry. Oh my God, look at that. Close up on that. Blue. Yeah. And it's it looks like it's a Scat Pack with the look, the intake of the headlight.
Oh, it's like an intake?
Yeah, it's got on both headlights is hollowed out, and it's got the outside LED.
Oh.
It's sick, man. 485, I think. It has 485 horsepower. Yeah, that's a freaking mean looking
that
one.
color though. That color right there.
Look, this looks like it's brand new because this is new. This is the wide body Scat Pack.
Oh, that comes with that?
Yeah, this is a
Comes
new.
with that wide body thing?
Yeah, I think that's the new one right out of the factory.
What?
Yeah.
That's great.
Oh, it's a
How about that
$80,000.
hood?
I think the hood might be different. Yeah, it's the same. It's a stock hood. 85,000, I think.
Bro, you buy those are fucking nice for when you travel.
That's a really nice example, man. Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Ride's
Muscle
kind
your
of high. It
wallet.
looks like a damn Rolls Royce.
Yeah, it's it looks like it needs to be dropped, but still,
Yeah.
look at the paint.
Looks safe. You crashing anything? You're okay.
Hey, Superman! Look, this is pretty sick.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's 85 grand too. Cobras are freaking so expensive. Look at the carbon hood on that.
hood is humongous. It's like,
Oh,
I bet you they saved like 25 pounds or 40 pounds on that.
you think that hood's like 2 grand? Easy?
Nah.
Nah?
Nah, it's probably
That's a lot of carbon.
And it's probably like a good 12, maybe.
1,200?
Maybe less.
You got the GS Crew,
You got
the Lex.
these carbon fiber hood, not carbon fiber. Nah, if it was like that.
A real deal.
Yeah, I think you're talking, 2 grand.
Like a Mansory
even
from Germany
The Cobra R's have them, I think.
with them $10,000 Cobra fiber, carbon fiber wheels. Locally hated. Oh, look, they playing that old school breaking music, bro. Egyptian love, you know what I mean? That thing brings back some memories, bro. Bring out the cardboard, dude. Yeah. Even the Corolla rocking the oh no, it's a Camry. Yeah, that's a nice looking Camry. Camry or Crescent, I think. That's pretty sick. The Miata crew.
Oh wow, they took Nate's truck. They didn't take the Miata.
she didn't bring. So they didn't bring the Davion.
They took their truck.
Cool.
She didn't bring the Davion.
I seen you on the highway. You're running pretty nice. Hey, this thing's pretty quick, man.
Thanks, man.
Woo! Look at that. What do you think those are? 26s? 28? Wow.
What up, man?
Hey, man, what's up, Rich? I didn't see you with the vest there.
With the shit on my face.
What's up, dude?
Chilling, dude. Car's way over there in the dark in the shade.
In the shade? Did you get all your parts put on?
Yeah, just a couple little electrical wrinkles, but the car's running fine.
Good. Cool. I'm good to see you're out, man. How's work? Everything's good?
Yeah, I work a couple days a week. I'll be around, man.
Okay, cool. See you later, Rich. That is the man. We're throwing a Rich, June 13th. June 13th, Sunset Park.
Yeah,
Shout out.
Days, man. Euro Days, June 13th, Sunset Park Trail.
Yeah, except for jump at the
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna out of here.
You getting out of here already?
Yeah.
Thanks, Rich.
I'll see you, Chris.
All right. Got more cars coming in. Take care, Justin. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. You can't even hear it. That thing's fucking loud. 390 to the wheels. My man.
What's up, man?
You're at the, oh, got the new wheels on here. Spoon. Oh, snap. That's just clean. He's got turbo in there, Al. You got that plug fix? I think one of the plugs are fouling, you said.
Oh, yeah, it's running 100% now.
Oh my God, this thing's pretty quick, dude. 385, I think. Read it, dual overhead.
Yeah, it's a B16, yeah, I'm building the single cam? Hell yeah. I'm gonna go get my handicap fan from my other truck.
Yeah, there you
Alright.
go.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you might get something.
I got one in my car, but it's expired. Yo, I love the tires, man. It's beefy. Hey, you got good heat on it. It looks good, bro.
Yeah, that's like I got the specs off of the, like the SCCA people.
See, man, you always got the good fucking specs on the tires.
It's a lot of fucking research.
because I love the specs on
People
this.
don't like to tell out what the specs are, it's their competition.
What are you running there, Al? 15 by what, 8s?
15 by 7s on a 41 offset on this car. So
41
it's a little
offset.
narrow, but that's better for like agility.
Track.
Yeah, agility.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna get a 15 by 8 eventually. But
15 by 8, but
15 by 8 by either 28 or 35, something like that.
Nice. Alex, guys, is the guru when it comes to wheel setups. Look, we got some vets out here. I dig that Q50, bro. That thing's sick.
Red. Oh, I didn't even see
It's
that.
a murdered
So
out
dark,
Q50,
yeah.
right? That thing's sick.
Here, I gotta take a picture of this fucker.
That's a nice Charger. This is Curtis's crazy 67. Here we go. Hey, is this a Maverick?
Yep.
Oh, snap. Bringing back memories. Oh, damn. This thing is nice. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Holy cow. What's your name, sir?
Alan.
Alan?
Yeah.
Chris, nice to meet you. Wow. What year is this, sir?
71.
71 Maverick. Very nice, man. It's got the roll bar in the back. It's definitely a oh, Hurst. Sick. What are we running under the hood? Are you allowed to say?
Oh, yeah, I'm not that crazy about it. It's 392.
392. 392 is a big block, right?
No, it's from the 351 Windsor.
Okay.
It's stroked out to a 392.
Stroked out. Wow. I like the color, man.
Nice.
Sweet. I like muscle. I'm a JDM guy, but I love muscle, man. I got his cars on my channel. If you want to check out your car, it's gonna be on Chris Honda.
Okay.
So 392 71 Maverick. You track this all the time at the tracks? What are we running here? If you don't want to say, it's okay.
1130s.
11-second car, dude. Very nice, man. Look at that with the skinnies in the front. Look at that rear tire in the back. Very nice, man. Thank you, Alan, for letting us show your car on my channel.
Yeah, no worries.
Where's the headrest? It's next to the snap. No, I'm playing.
I know, right? It's a 1130. He said it runs.
What?
Yeah.